children of the ancient ones. Oromo Kush roots still standing strong. What a bless we carry on. Oh yeah, we stand so strong. Oromo rise, we sing this song. From Bishana Bahia to Lagagibbe, ancient roots like the Oda tree. No more chains will break away. God guide us every day. Wisdom flow from the elders' tongue. Truth and justice keep us strong. Oda tree we gather round, where the spirit of the past is found. From Shawa to Walaga land, Oromo rise, we make a stand. Reach our time, we give thanks for life, for peace, for the chance. Hands in the water, heart so pure, God our spirit strong and sure. Oromo Kush, we stand so tall. One foundation, one for all. Under the other, voices rise. One love, one hope, one light.
Boku high, we bless the way. Why I die in red, black, white. Safu guides how we talk and pray. No oppressor can take we away. Eraser shine like golden beams. Water flow in sacred streams. Oromo light make Ada gleam. Truth still rise like Gada's dream. From the west to the east we strong. From Asi to Ballet hear the song. From Haraji to Jim our future bright. Oromo rise, keep Gada in sight. Oromo Kush, we stand so tall. One foundation, one for all. Under the other, voices rise. One love, one hope, one light. Why don't be learn, we rise. Gada wisdom never dies. Truth still shine in the morning light. One love, one hope, one fight. One fight. One love, one hope, one fight. Yo, yeah!